Which one, nak? Which one? It's black. Where's the white? Tingnan niyo ang kanyang pa-outfit. Nakbay siya may outfit. Nakbay, turn around. Shush! Cute eh. Cute. Ay, careful anak. Don't touch the car, baba. It's very shiny.
Oh, what am I now?
You're a doggy.
A doggy.
Oh, you cow.
Meow, meow.
No, you doggy. You cow.
Hmm?
You cow.
Moo.
Oh, no. Oh, I thought you said baby.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Saturday everyone. It's the 8th of May and it's currently 12 o'clock ng 12 noon. 12 noon. Ayan, as you can see, nandito tayo ngayon sa sasakyan. Lumabas na ang ating mag-ama kasi ang ating baby girl ay umiiyak. Kaya nilabas na niya. Sabi ko, i-open muna natin ang ating vlog. So, tomorrow is Mother's Day, as you know. So, every first Sunday of May, yun yung Mother's Day. And Daddy Mike is very atat na atat talaga na bumili daw ng pang Mother's Day gift ko. So, as you know, we've been looking for our new family car. Yung medyo malaki-laki dito. And para sa akin guys, no rush naman kasi this car na ginagamit namin ngayon, it's still working perfectly fine. So, kahit madumi siya, kahit maalikabok ganun, okay din naman, wala namang problema yung pagdadrive sa kanya. But, Daddy Mike, gustong-gusto niya talaga na bumili ng ng bagong sasakyan. So, nandito kami ngayon, kaya umiiyak si Paris guys kasi sinasabi niya, bakit daw kami bibili ng bagong sasakyan kung meron daw kaming sasakyan ito. O, diba? Tama din naman si Paris guys, pero yung sa amin naman is upgrade nga kasi matagal na namin itong pinag-usapan. And Daddy Mike, kasi sinasabi niya bukas is Mother's Day, gusto niya daw na bilhin ngayon para parang regalo daw niya para sa Mother's Day. O, diba? Bongga din si Daddy Mike magregalo, guys. Anyways, lumabas na tayo kasi alam niyo, si Daddy Mike, kanina pa yan siya sa umaga. Sobrang aga niyang gumising kasi gusto nga niya. Tinawagan niya yung place dito and sabi nila na meron sila yung sasakyan na gustong-gusto niya talaga. So, we've been, he has been doing his research. So, last time, di ba, yung tiningnan namin was Volkswagen, Nissan, and MG. So, ngayon, yung nagustuhan talaga ni Daddy Mike ngayon is yung Reno. So, pakita ko sa inyo. We'll take you outside. Sobrang mataas yung araw guys. Pero, mainit sa loob ng sasakyan. Pero may ginaw sa labas. Tignan nyo sila oh. Nandun sila oh. Ewan ko kung kita nyo. Liit-liit. Ayan. So, nandito kami ngayon. That's kung makikita niya, Reno. Ayan. So, ayan yung dalawa. Say hi sa Daddy.
Daddy.
Hi, Nak.
Look.
Say hi.
Hello.
Say hi. Say good morning. Sabi, ay, good afternoon.
What colors do you like, Mom?
Ha? Tingnan nyo guys. Sobrang excited niya. So, ito yung Reno na sasakyan.
See?
I think it's fine to film here, yeah?
Yeah, of course.
Like this, no number plates or anything. Ayan. So, ito yung mga sasakyan, guys. Reno. I think that's the, talaga, tingnan nyo. Reno, Waverly.
Like the white?
Is this the white?
Yeah.
Nah, I don't like it.
Huh?
I don't like it.
I do.
I don't like the color.
What are these ones?
You do too, honey?
That's the metallic one.
Yeah. No, I think I'd like the plain white than the metallic white. Ito na talaga guys. Ito talaga yung sasakyan.
Alright, let's pick this up.
Daddy, you daddy.
So ito yung ano guys. Tingnan natin guys. Reno. Ayan. Koleos. So yan yung model. Ayaw ko kasi ng kulay na ano guys. Very particular ako sa kulay. White or black.
It's nice, yeah?
You like it, honey?
Yeah.
Which color would you like?
I like white.
You like white? Okay, pasok tayo guys.
Food is waiting.
Huh?
Food is waiting for us.
Is he waiting? Okay, let's go in. Which one? Which one? It's black. Where's the white? Tingnan niyo ang kanyang pa-outfit. Nakbay siya, may outfit. Nakbay, turn around. Shush! Cute to eh. Cute. Ay, careful anak. Don't touch the car, baba. It's very shiny. Ito yung black, guys. Gusto ko, pero seriously, sabi ko kay Daddy Mike na parang mas gusto ko yung interior ng Nissan, guys. Kasi dito, anyways, nag-uusap ko sila.
A few moments later.
Guys, this is the one that I really like. I'll show you inside. See? I seriously like this better. So this one, guys, is pure leather. Everything. Yung sa gusto ni Daddy Mike, ano yun siya? Ang tawag dito? Hindi siya totoong leather. And you know what? See, there's a sunroof as well. Although it's only panoramic. Ayan. But obviously, mas mahal to siya, guys. Ayan. But I really like the look of this one. So, they come in white. Merong red sa labas. And then yun yung kulay na black. Ha? I think that one has got a bit more. This is compact. This is what I really.
You're happy now because you got your water, didn't you?
We can drink all.
What color do you like, Mom?
Drink all.
Drink all day.
I like the white. So, ito yung kulay na black, guys. Although, hindi ito yung design na, ano. I don't like that color. That's like bright red. That one there outside is the, ano, yung red talaga. Parang, anong tawag dito, guys? Yung deep na red. Yan. I like the white.
What's going?
You go tell me which car you like. Show me.
Do you like that white
which
one,
you
Nak?
like. Go point to the car that you like.
Come
Go
on,
tell.
ini, mini,
Out of all of this
one.
one's inside.
Ini, daming options, guys, eh.
You pick one.
Hi guys, time check tayo. It's now 1:08 ng hapon and kabalik lang namin sa sasakyan. What's your thoughts, Daddy?
Renault number 1.
So, andito na naman kami, guys. So, yung pinunta talaga namin dito is yung Reno.
Yeah, Renault number 1, Qashqai number 2.
Hindi. But then kasi next building lang to each other is yung Nissan. Yung Nissan talaga na Qashqai yung gusto ko, guys, kasi I feel like it's very compact and I think it's just the size that we need, really. I feel like the Koyos is...
It's better. It's like it's a little bit bigger. It looks more to me like it just looks more high end.
Really?
Yeah, and it's cheaper.
Hindi kami magkaintindihan, guys. Ayan, guys. Nandito na naman kami kinanan. Ang ating little girl ay ayan, oh. Agad-agad. Punta sa kanyang nani.
Oh, thank you, my little girlie. Oh, hello,
Happy
darling.
Mother's Day for tomorrow.
Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you, darling.
So,
Thank you, my little girl. Good night.
Kiss. Give Nani a kiss.
Love you.
She's always excited to come here.
Yeah, I know she is.
Yeah.
I got her a book and a colour and book and a,
See? Have a look at her. She's just, you know, going in, looking for Pa.
she makes herself.
We were out and she was like, oh, I'm going to see Nani and Papa. Who are you looking for now?
Pardon, sweetheart.
Who are you looking for?
Papa's.
Oh,
Papa?
Where's Pa? Pa's waiting for you.
Put this in your hair first to make you beautiful, sir.
Pa's waiting for the little girl. Nanny's little girl and Plummy's little girl.
G'day.
Have a look, Daddy.
G'day. How you going to say that? Yeah, just give me this hand. G'day, how are you? What you got?
Lovely.
You got your bag there. You got your own purse, haven't you? How
Yes.
lovely that is.
How are you,
You're a
Pa?
special girl. How are you? Hey, come here, princess.
Paris, you're like the one who's playing tennis, Daddy.
Ready?
Making sound as you hit the ball.
It's not wait.
hit it. Oi,
Mer-
hit it.
Ang saya talaga niyan, guys, kapag nandito siya sa nani tsaka papa niya.
Oi.
Anak, do it properly, anak. You're gonna hurt yourself. Well done. Good job. Mom, every time I see this, it reminds me of Paris. It reminds me of Paris.
Hit it properly because everyone's looking.
Good job.
Oh, what's Nanny turned into, Paris?
A dog.
A dog. Woof, 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 woof.
Your friend.
Dog, Poppy's turn. Abba-dabba-doo.
Ooh, what am I now?
What's Poppy?
Your doggy.
A doggy. Wow, woof, 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 woof,
Oh.
woof.
You cat.
Meow, meow.
No, you doggy. You cow.
Hmm?
You cow.
Moo.
Oh, no. Oh, I thought you just did it.
Ooh, moo. Moo.
Oh, this is a pet with a big beep.
Moo.
Oh, no. What's up, Nana?
Moo. Moo. Moo.
Yabba yabba do.
Fireman.
You're a fireman.
Yabba dabba doo. Shake.
Nice one, Pooh. Come on. No, Baba, give me something. You can't have everything, Mom.
Paris, go. Nanghawas na.
That's it.
Time check tayo guys. It's now 9:18 ng gabi. Actually, kanina pa kami nakauwi. After, nung pumunta kami doon, nagtingin kami ng sasakyan. Pumunta kami sa lolo at saka lola niya. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog doon ng medyo matagalan talaga guys. Kasi yung camera natin ay na-lowbat. Tapos, the same din yung sa phone ko. But, yeah, we just had like a Mother's Day dinner at Nans and Pas. Tapos nandun din yung mami ni Daddy Mike. So, you know, it was a great time to catch up. And, yeah, so yung lakad namin today, again. So, diba, sabi ko kaninang umaga, yun na nga yung gagawin talaga ni Daddy Mike kasi gusto na niyang bumili ng parang pang regalo nga niya sa Mother's Day kasi nga bukas, diba? So, once again, wala na naman kaming nadala kasi hindi kami anong tawag dito guys? Anong term doon? Hindi kami magkaintindihan. Hindi magkaintindihan ba yun? Parang hindi mag-match yung talagang aming gusto. So, yung gusto ni Daddy Mike is yung Reno Coleos. Coleos, Daddy? Fresh na siya. Naka-shower. Si mami niyo panos pa rin. Tapos yung gusto ko naman is yung Nissan Qashqai.
Sorry.
And nakita niyo naman siguro yung kanina, pinakita ko yung interior, yung outside and all. Let me know sa comment section below guys, between the two cars, what do you think mas maganda para sa inyo? Yung parang like niyo.
Just remember, even if I win, I lose. So it doesn't matter.
Umuwi kami nang walang we went home with nothing. Kasi hindi kami makapag-decide. Well, nakakapag-decide ako. I decided na I want Nissan Qashqai. Daddy decided na he wants, or you know.
So that means that we decided we want a Nissan Qashqai.
Yun talaga yung gusto ko guys. Like seriously. Kasi, para kasi sa akin yung Reno kasi, so, mahaba siya, alam niyo yun, like, parang malaki siya para sa akin. Gusto ko yung compact lang, SUV, pero compact siya. Kaya, pasok sa mga talaga yung Nissan Qashqai, guys. Even nung first time kami na naghanap na sasakyan, diba, yung Nissan Qashqai na pula, yun, the same yun siya, different lang yung kulay na tinignan namin kanina. So, Daddy Mike is super in love with the Reno talaga.
That doesn't matter. It's like a love that will never come to any fruition.
Pero alam niyo guys, sabi ni Daddy Mike, okay, so if I let you choose the car, so if the Nissan Qashqai, siya daw yung choose ng kulay.
But even then, it's selected to the 3 colors which Jovey
Yeah,
likes.
tapos sabi ko, okay, you can choose the color of the car, but I'll give you 3 choices.
But I just sent you actually a photo of the one that I like.
Did you?
Yeah, and I don't know if you'll like it. But I'm serious, like we're getting that one.
But, yeah. The difference too, guys, is that na-mention ko na before. So, yung, apart sa size nila, na sobrang nalalakihan talaga ako sa Coleos, guys. Yung inside, interior, and all, yung sa Coleos is like parang fake leather. Pero sa Nissan is real leather. And, what's the difference? So, yung pang sa chair, sa seat, automatic yung sa Nissan, automatic yung sa driver, pati sa passenger. So, hindi yung pag ganun-ganun ba, pag i-change mo yung setting ng upuan. Sa Reno naman, siya, automatic siya, pero sa driver lang, sa passenger,
And panoramic sunroof.
Oh yes, sa Nissan Qashqai may panoramic sunroof din, which makes it more, like parang fancy siya ba. Pero kay Daddy Mike kasi guys, kasi sinasabi niya na looks, Reno Coleos looks, luxurious.
Yeah, like a Range Rover. European luxury, not Asian luxury.
Yeah.
High end.
Anyways, I'm super in love with the Nissan Qashqai.
Yeah. Wow.
And alam niyo guys, tapos sabi ni Daddy Mike, like, if I choose the car, siya daw yung mag-choose ng bahay.
Yes.
He'll choose the house.
That's right. That's right. And you can choose the color of the house.
Yeah. So, there you go, guys.
Compromise.
So, yeah. So, yan yung pinag-uusapan namin ni Daddy Mike ngayon. Kasi kung ako yung mag-choose ng sasakyan, siya daw yung pipili ng bahay. So,
Yes.
kasi nga sabi ko naman, because, you know, I'll be driving the car. Ito talaga yung gusto kong, para, iba kasi yung feeling, guys. Alam niyo yun kapag para nakaupo ka sa front seat. Tapos, the feeling that you get while you're sitting there, iba talaga yung feeling na nakukuha ko from the Nissan, guys, kumpara dun sa isa. I wasn't very happy. Hindi naman sa ungrateful ako, guys, no? But, yung sinasabi ko lang kay Daddy Mike na parang yung parang initial feeling na nakukuha mo pagkaupo mo sa sasakyan. So, sa Colliers, guys, hindi ko talaga nakuha yung feeling na yun. But, doon sa Nissan, as soon as I sat on the front seat, like the driver's seat, like my heart, like boom, 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 you know what I mean? Like, this is the one. Just the same, the way I felt when I
I
first
was about
saw
to say
you.
I should have put a Nissan badge on my shirt the first day, on our first date. I might have got laid.
Yeah, Daddy. Anyway, I seen, guys, so update, we still don't have the car. So I don't know when we're gonna get the car and what car we're getting. But yeah, let me know in the comment section
You
below.
said you already
guys.
know what car we're getting.
Yeah, because like you are not fully supportive with my.
I am supportive. I told you. I like the cash guy. I just like the Colliers better. But one of
There's
us.
a price difference then kasi, guys. Nissan Qashqai was like
44.
$44,000, and then the Renault Collier is just 40, around 40. We can always negotiate. Yeah, so, but, you know, bring it down a little bit. Anyways. Anyways, so are you agreeing now, Daddy, that we're getting a Nissan Qashqai?
Yes.
Yay!
And you agreeing that I'm choosing the color in our house?
Oh, think about it.
Yay.
Say hi sa anak, B.
Hi.
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 Which one, nak? Nissan or Renault?
No.
Which one?
Renault.
Reno.
Which one?
Renault.
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 Renault, it could be Nissan. Nissan.
Renault.
Nissan.
Renault.
Nissan.
That is going with it. Renault.
Nissan. Did you
Renault.
have fun playing with Nani and Papa
Yes.
today?
Yes.
Do you love Nani and Papa?
Yes.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
What about Lola?
Yes.
How about Lola Karen?
Yeah.
Do you love Lola Karen?
That give me present.
Oh, they give you a present. Did you like your present? Did you like your present? Ayan. Anyways, guys, yun na yun. In-update ko lang kayo. What we're going to do now is, ayan, nakahanda na yung movie ni Daddy Michael sa stand. Did you put that there, Bob? Romantic drama movies?
Yes. That's the only thing you watch. See, I'm fully submissive these days. Just choose the car, choose your type of movies, listen to your music, watch your gold.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you. Oh, isa pa pala, guys, nakalimutan ko.
Ah.
So, before, kasi nga, Daddy Mike knows how
Obsessed.
crazy and obsessed I am with gold at the moment. And sabi niya, can we please get the Renault Colliers and I'll buy you gold? And sabi ko, guys, a big no. My heart is set on the Nissan Qashqai, and I said, like, I can buy my gold later on. You still buy me gold anyways, Daddy. Even if you get the Nissan, you get me gold. Anyways, thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome.
Yeah, so manonood kami ng movie. Actually, nanood kami kagabi, guys, ng movie. What was the title of the movie last night?
No idea.
Gifted? Was
Yes.
that Gifted?
It could be.
Yeah. About a kid who is like gifted, guys. Oh my god, I was crying. Wasn't I, Daddy?
Very much so. More
Yeah.
than any time I've ever done. More than like when I asked you to marry me. More than when Paris was born.
Guys, sobrang nagbako jud good. Ganun talaga ako. Like, na-touch talaga ako sa movie. But now, we'll see kung ano yung i-watch natin. We'll just do a quick shout out, guys. Before I end.
Shout out to
yung
Daddy for
ating-
getting me a Qashqai.
Shout out Daddy for agreeing to get the Nissan Qashqai.
Shout out to Daddy for being the most submissive man on earth.
I love you, Daddy.
Mate, look at the. You just love my cash. Can you check my photo that I sent you?
Hang on, let me just do shout out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Shout out to Janzi Pinay, Australia, Nati Doughty, the Armstrong family, Yet Balino, Maricar Castaneda, Mami Rosa Balie, Fe Guarnes, Sharon Ando, Carlota Pedro, Janice Kawaling, Beauty S, Novero Yoli, Ifehenia Zarate, Joanne Owano, G. Alcera, Josephine Tan, Annie Vergara, Esmeralda, Hilasca, Teza Moreno, Joanne Ambe, Loleta La Cuesta, Jocelyn Pason, and Emmy Garcia. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs up, no. Thumbs up if you like it, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family, and we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Be careful. Bye.
Be careful, bye.
wala sa mood. Hindi close.